Hi, here we are at the Capitol. It's Monday morning. We just had our 40th anniversary benefit dinner last night. We're all excited about that, and we are thinking about what lies ahead of us at the legislature this week. Here's Brian.
We just finished a big coalition meeting here in one of the committee rooms where lots of the groups that we work with talked about their legislative agendas and what they were going to be focusing on. So it was a great meeting, and what's happening this week is committees are going through orientation. They're hearing from mostly department staff about what's going on in their particular areas. So we're mostly interested in health and human services, as you would expect. As the new members, and there's a lot of them, learn more and more about the intricacies of the provision of services and how things are funded, we want to be there every step of the way to talk about how important it is that we not balance this budget on the backs of people who are poor or vulnerable, and that's going to take a lot of work because there's just so much to learn. And just want to remind everybody how important it is for all of our network, all citizens of faith, to participate in this process. It certainly happens here. We're going to be visiting with members every day, but really more important than that are the communications that you make over the course of the next few weeks with your members, especially now that they're in this kind of absorbing mode. They want information. So we'll be coming to you regularly with suggestions about what to communicate and how to do it. So thanks ahead in advance for your participation. It's going to make a huge difference.